My name is Jason Slayton with the Xavier Financial Aid Office. Let's talk money. Upon acceptance, students will receive their Merit Aid Offer Award. This will show as a scholarship. The scholarship is good for 4 years or 8 semesters. In the road to Xavier, they will be able to access their tuition and aid and determine their next steps to enroll. There are 4 basic types of financial aid: scholarships, loans, grants, and work opportunities. Scholarships and grants are commonly referred to as gift aid. This is because there's nothing to be repaid. Loans and work opportunities are called self-help aid, and that's because there's something that the student or the parent must do in order to earn that money. In the case of scholarships, Xavier awards scholarships up front as part of the admissions application process. Grants will be determined based on financial need, based on the FAFSA information. Loans will be awarded as part of the FAFSA awarding process, and also federal work-study work opportunities. Upon filing the FAFSA, students will receive an award of federal direct loans. Subsidized loans are where the government pays the interest while the student is in school. Unsubsidized are where the student is responsible for the interest. Federal direct loans are only in the student's name and do not require any credit application. Amounts are based off of the year in school. Subsidized and unsubsidized loans do not require any repayment until 6 months after the student either leaves school due to graduation or other means. It is important to note that the dispersal of every loan for federal direct loans will include the reduction of an origination fee. Origination fees for the 2019-2020 school year were 1.062%. We do expect this to change for 2020-21, but those rates have not yet been set. The maximum that an undergraduate student can borrow in federal direct loans for the life of their undergrad time is $31,000. It is very possible that the total amount of scholarships, grants, and federal direct loans will not cover total expenses. Other options to recover your remaining balance are 529 plans, outside scholarships, payment plans, and gap loans. There are generally 2 types of gap loans. One is the Parent Plus loan. This is a loan applied for by the parent. It does require a credit application, and it would be applied for yearly to cover the additional expenses. Please note that this loan would be in the parent's name. Private alternative loans, however, are loans that are applied for with the primary borrower being the student. Most students do not have enough established credit to qualify for these loans on their own. This means that a qualified co-borrower, typically a parent, will most likely need to sign up for the loan. If you have any questions about these, please contact the Financial Aid Office. Xavier offers a number of work opportunities on campus. Federal work study is awarded to students with need, and these are jobs where Xavier can pay the wage through monies that are given to us by the federal government. Those students who are not eligible for federal work study may still obtain on-campus work through what we call university employment. In order to search jobs from both types, we offer job fairs at the beginning of the fall semester and a website, Hire a Muskie, which can be found through the Xavier homepage. If you have not at this point filed a FAFSA, it is still open to be applied for the 2020-21 school year. Please note that the 2019-2020 school year FAFSA is still available as well until July, so be sure you are applying for the correct year. You will need an FSA ID in order to sign your application electronically. You will want to complete this as soon as possible. If you have any questions about completing a FAFSA, please contact the financial aid office.